Did you know Cristiano Ronaldo's partnership with Nike didn't just sell shoes? It turned him into a global brand ambassador, inspiring millions to lace up and hit the field. Or that Selena Gomez, with her rare beauty line, created a movement of self love and inclusivity, making it favorite for millennials and Gen Z. Even Justin Bieber, by collaborating with Drew House, turned casual streetwear into a must have cultural statement. And let's not forget Bio Biceps, aka Ranveer Alabadia, who made brands like Muscle Blaze a go to name for fitness buffs, simply by sharing his authentic journey. Here's the thing, influencer marketing isn't just about flashy endorsement, it's all about trust, connection, and storytelling. People don't want ads, they want recommendations they can believe in. And that's why businesses, big or small, are leaning into influencers to grow their brands. Think about it. Who do you want to trust more? A random ad telling your product is amazing, or your favorite content creator saying, "Hey, I have tried this and it's a game changer." That's the power of influencer marketing. It builds real human connections that lead to real businesses' result. In today's video, we will break down how you can start your own influencer marketing business in 2025. From finding the right influencers to crafting campaigns that work, avoiding common pitfalls, and also measuring success. We are covering it all. So whether you're just a startup or an entrepreneur, this is your ticket to turning your brand into a household name. So let's get started. So now let's first start by understanding what is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is when brands partner with influencers to promote their products or services through authentic content. These influencers are trusted by their followers, and their recommendations feels more like advice from a friend than a sales pitch. But why does it actually work? Because influencers build trust over time. According to 2023 survey, more than 80% of marketers agree that influencers are essential to their social media strategies. And with good reason, almost half of all the consumers make monthly purchases influenced by creators' content. You can think of this way, traditional ads are like shouting at a megaphone, while influencer marketing is like having a heart to heart with your audience. It's personal, it's relatable, and it works. But then, all the influencers are not the same. Let's break it down. Let's now discuss the types of influencers. So, there are basically four types of influencers, and each one has a unique role in your strategy. Let's understand them. So, the first one are the mega influencers. These are your A listeners, and they probably have followers more than 1 million. You can think of like Cristiano Ronaldo, Selena Gomez, or Mr. Beast. With millions of followers, they can give your brand unparalleled exposure on a global scale. So, whether it's a product launch, a campaign for a new app, or even raising funds for a cause, these mega influencers bring massive visibility. For example, Mr. Beast is known for his viral challenges and philanthropy. So, he's an excellent choice for campaigns targeting Gen Z and millennials. However, mega influencers come with a hefty price tag. Plus, their engagement rates might not be as high as smaller influencers as their audiences are so broad. So, if you're launching something like a luxury perfume, though, they are the perfect choice for creating that sense of exclusivity. Now, let's talk about the second type of influencers, which are the macro influencers. So, macro influencers have followers around 100k to 1 million, and they're just like the specialist of the influencer world. Think of your neighborhood doctor, but with a very way cooler Instagram vibe. So, macro influencers are ideal for brands aiming for reach while staying niche focused. Just remember, they are an investment like hiring a celebrity chef. Costly, but yes, their credibility can elevate your brand to the next level. Now, let's talk about the third type of influencers, which are the micro influencers. So, micro influencers have followers between 10k to 100,000, and they are the hidden gems of influencer marketing. Their secret weapon is they have highly engaged audiences who genuinely trust their opinions. And the best part is they are more affordable than macro or mega influencers. For example, if you are in the wellness space, you can collaborate with Sarah's Day, a fitness and style influencer from Australia. And in the similar way, you have many other such influencers. So, micro influencers like these may not have massive followings, but their ability to create genuine connections make them incredibly impactful. Now, let's talk about the fourth type of influencers, which are the nano influencers. And they have got followers less than 10,000. They may be small, but their impact is mighty. So, these influencers have personal connections with their audiences and are perfect for small business or niche markets. You can imagine a local bakery partnering with a food enthusiast in their city. That one collaboration could drive more foot traffic than a billboard. You can see how each type of influencer brings something different to the table. The key is choosing the one that aligns with your brand goals. So now let's talk about why do you use influencer marketing. At first, influencer marketing increases your brand awareness. Collaborating with influencers introduces your brand to new audiences you might never reach otherwise. Secondly, precise targeting. Influencers know their audiences and their followers often align with specific demographics. This makes your campaigns more effective. Third one is highly conversion rates. Nearly 86% of consumers make purchases inspired by influencers at least once a year. And that's the power of social proof. And here's the best part. It's not just for big brands, small businesses are leveraging nano and micro influencers to build trust, engage audiences, and drive sales. Alright, folks, now let's roll up our sleeves and get to the fun part building your influencer marketing strategy. It's just like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients, a clear recipe, and just the right amount of frosting. That is creativity. And here's how you can whip up a strategy that works in 2025. Step 1 is finding the right influencers. First things first, you need to find your people. Not all influencers are created equal. You're not just looking for someone popular, you're looking for someone relevant. For example, if you're launching a vegan protein powder, working with a fitness influencers who post workout routines and diet tips is a no-brainer. But if their audience is more into cheat day burgers than a plant-based meals, you are baking up the wrong tree. You can use tools like Upfluence, Aspire IQ, or even good old Instagram search to dig into their stats. But here's the kicker. Don't just look at follower counts. A million followers means nothing if their engagement rate is flat. So first of all, you need to have a social listening tool. So setting up a social listening project to discover influencers that match your business niche is very important. You can use Google search to find the correct influencers. You can also use hashtags on Twitter, Instagram, click search and enter the hashtag. You can also find influencers through influencer marketing platforms, and such platform is a link between marketer and an influencer. Now let's talk about the step number 2, which is setting up a budget. Let's talk about money because influencers don't work for exposure. You've got to figure out what can you spend. Here's a pro tip. If you're just starting, nano influencers are like your friendly neighborhood superheroes. They'll work with the free products or small budgets. For example, a local coffee shop could send free beans to a nano influencer who then creates content sipping their brew every morning. And yes, instant exposure without breaking the bank. But if you're going big and partnering with macro influencers for a tech launch, be ready to invest. Think of it as the difference between buying street tacos and dining at a Michelin star restaurant. Both are great, but the budget is very different. Now let's talk about step number 3, which is defining your goals. And here's where you grab your whiteboard and channel your inner strategist. What do you want to achieve? You want to achieve and boost sales. Then you want influencers who specialize in conversion focused content like Instagram stories and swipe up links or YouTube reviews with affiliate codes. Secondly, increase brand awareness. Go for a lifestyle influencer who can casually weave your product into their daily life. Third of all, it drives traffic. TikTok challenges or giveaways are your best friend. Think of it as your goals like a GPS. Without them, you're driving aimlessly. With clear objectives, you'll know exactly which influencers and campaigns will get you where you want to go. Step number 4 is creating a brief. Here's where the magic happens. Your brief, this is your roadmap for your influencer, but don't be that person who micromanages everything down to the font size on the captions. Your brief band should include your brand values, the campaign goal, do's and don'ts. For example, if you're a sustainable brand, tell them to avoid single-use plastics in their videos. Now let's talk about step number 5, which is measuring success. So let's talk about numbers because you can't improve what you don't measure. You can use tools like Google Analytics or even Instagram Insights to track your campaign's performance. So here's what you should be looking at. First of all, engagement rates, website traffic, and conversions. For engagement rates, you have to see, are the people liking, commenting, or sharing? For website traffic, you need to check whether you have promoted code, swipe up link, which brings people to your site. So let me give you an example. Suppose a fitness brand partnered with a micro-influencer or a campaign. So they used a unique promo code like FIT10 to track sales. By the end of the month, the campaign brought in 500 new customers. That's the kind of data you want to see. So here's a quick information. If you're interested to start a career in digital marketing, you can check out Simplilearn's postgraduate program in digital marketing in partnership with Purdue University. This course provides a robust and industry-relevant curriculum to help you become a digital marketing expert. You can find the course link in the description box below and in the pinned comments. Alright, now you have got your 5-step strategy. It's not rocket science. It's all about being international, tracking your progress, and learning as you go. Next, let's talk about what not to do so that you don't end up wasting time or money. Let's talk about what mistakes can you avoid. So before you dive into influencer marketing, let's talk about some common mistakes that can cost you big time. First of all, don't be fooled by the big follower numbers. 1 million followers don't mean much if no one's engaging. It's just like hosting a party where everyone glued to their phones. Focus on influencers who spark real conversations. They are your MVPs. Next, avoid macromanaging. Influencers know their audiences better than anyone. Let them do their thing. Overscripting makes content feel more fake, and trust me, followers can smell that from miles away. And finally, do your homework. Vetting influencers is non-negotiable. Check if their audience aligns with your brand. If you're a vegan snack company, someone who just reviewed BBQ ribs last week probably isn't your best bet. So avoid these pitfalls and you'll set yourself for success. So now let's talk about how can you track and refine your campaigns. Your campaign is live, but now not the time to sit back with a coffee. This is where tracking and refining comes in. Think of it like a road trip. You need tools like Google Analytics, Instagram Insights as your GPS. For example, if your branded hashtag #GlowWithGreens gets 10,000 posts, you are trending. Or if promo code something like Glow20 brings in the most sales, you have found your star influencer. And yes, if things aren't working, don't panic. Adjust your strategy, better creative direction, sharpener messaging. You can think of it as tweaking a recipe until it's right. When you'll hit the sweet spot, the results will speak for themselves. So, in 2025, influencer marketing isn't just a strategy, it's the future of how brands connect with consumers. So, whether you're targeting global audience or macro influencers or focusing locally with nano influencers, there's a place for you in this industry. So, that's a wrap for this video, guys. If you found it really helpful, you can like, share, and subscribe and comment below. If you have any doubts or questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.